In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find creator on Patreon. We'll walk through opening the site, signing in securely, using the search tools effectively, and exploring creator categories so you can quickly locate the person or project you have in mind. First, open your browser and go to patreon.com. Give the page a moment to load so all the navigation shows up properly. You'll see options to sign in near the top. Click that and log into your account the way you usually do. If you use the email option, Patreon may prompt you to verify. Keep that tab open. Now switch over to your email in a separate tab or window. Make sure you're opening the same email account you use for Patreon so everything matches. Look for the message that helps you continue your sign-in. When you see the prompt to proceed, click Continue to complete the login. If a message doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and refresh your inbox, including your spam or promotions folders, just in case. Once you're back in Patreon and signed in, find the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search field to activate it, then start typing the name of the creator you're looking for. As you type, Patreon will suggest matches. If you recognize the creator in the suggestions, select it directly. If not, press enter to view the full results page and scan through the options. If you're unsure of the exact spelling, try a partial name or a keyword they're known for. When the results load, you'll see a list of creators. This is where you can refine what you're seeing. If you prefer to browse by interest rather than a specific name, look for category options. Choose the type of creator you're interested in to narrow things down. For example, if you're into audio shows, select podcast. This will filter the results so you're only seeing creators in that space, making it much easier to spot the right one. As you review the results, glance at the profile image, the description, and any tags to make sure you're looking at the correct creator, especially if there are accounts with similar names. If you still don't see who you want, try adjusting your keyword, switching to a different relevant category, or adding a unique term associated with the creator's work. That's it. You've opened Patreon, signed in, used the search bar, and explored categories like podcast to find the creator you're after. Follow these steps anytime you want to discover someone new or track down a familiar favorite.